We built Chalkbot together so that people from everywhere can spread messages of hope and cancer survival to the entire world at the Tour de France on the streets. It's a fully pneumatic robot. We're all friends working on the development of it, so it's literally friends working together, building a really cool thing that millions of people are going to be able to see and experience and interact with.
The way that people treat things changes a lot once it's physical. People will feel a lot more connected to the message that they send. So it's not just a throwaway text. It's not just a, yo, I'm sorry, right? It's, you know, now it's somewhere, right? Now it's something.
To print a message in sort of memoriam of a lost loved one, or in honor of someone fighting cancer, and see that appear on the road in a Tour de France that they could never participate in physically, that has the power to be very comforting, I would say.
As a software person, you're just constantly cranking out HTML, you're cranking out images, you know, you've got whatever. It's rare that you end up with something that's actually potentially really important to somebody. So it's like a really good feeling.